biodegradable or nabubulok. Food scrap, fruit and vegetable peels, garden trimming, and other organic waste that composes naturally are examples of biodegradable or nabubulok waste. Composting is a common method of producing naturally fertilizer from the kind of waste. For example po nito is yung balat ng saging or yung mga buto ng mangga, yung mga ganun po. Basta po mga nabubulok po. Yun lang po.
Recyclable. These are items that can be reprocessed into new products. Examples are plastic bottles, glass, paper, cardboard, and metal cans, and certain kinds of packaging.
Hindi nabubulok. These categories include waste that cannot be composted or recycled, such as sanitary napkins, scratches, soil wrapper, and forum. This is the waste that ultimately sent to sanitary landfill.
RA 9003, or the Ecological Solid Waste Management Act of 2000 in the Philippines, is a comprehensive law that establishes an ecological solid waste management program to protect public health and the environment by promoting practices like waste avoidance, reduction, reuse, recycling, and proper disposal in environmentally sound facilities.